Hello, my name is Alan, and I'm the creator of TagalogPhrases.com. What I want to do in this short video is demonstrate a new ebook that I have recently created called Tagalog Phrases Defined. Now, first of all, I'd like to go to the Tagalog Phrases site and take a look at a few things. If we look at the Tagalog phrases, it's easy to note that we have the Tagalog phrases on the left-hand side and the English phrase on the right. It's simply a translation of the Tagalog. Okay? What I find is that as people are studying these phrases and they understand that this, for example, this phrase can be translated into English as this, um, what a lot of people are hoping to do is being able to find out more precisely what each of these words mean. Okay, what is camiseta? What is nakaputing? What is lalaking? Okay, in this case, lalaking, we have lalaki, which is man, and then the nung linker on the end of it to link between these two words. Okay. Um, if you were to search for lalaking in a dictionary, you wouldn't find it. And if you're new to the language and aren't familiar with linkers, that can be a problem. What I've endeavored to do is to help people that are learning this language and looking at these phrases to understand what these words mean. Okay? Not just to look at the Tagalog phrase and see what the English equivalent is, but to actually understand what the individual words are. So with that in mind, let me take you to the book entitled Tagalog Phrases Defined. As it says there, there's 5,000 Tagalog phrases. There's actually about 5,300 and some phrases. And it shows the Tagalog phrase, the English translation, and the word definitions. Now, I do want to stress something that I have at the bottom of this page, which is this. This is not a phrase book for travelers or tourists, okay? Many of those type of books are phrase list, but they have that they're categorized by things like at the restaurant, shopping, things like that. Okay, this is not what that book is. This book is not like that. This book is for people that are learning the language. It's not categorized in any groups. It's actually in alphabetical order in the by Tagalog, alphabetical order by Tagalog phrases. Okay. Um, the book is three parts. The introduction, which explains what the book is about and how I put together the phrases and so forth. Chapter 1 gets into an area that are things to know. It's really not a grammar book. It's just a few things in there, some notes that people should know about if they're trying to study the phrases and get a feel for how the language goes together. Again, it's not a grammar book. I would suggest that you get an actual book on Tagalog grammar or visit some of the fine sites out there that cover that type of subject. Okay, I do have some links in this book to some of those sites. All right, I do want to point out that there's also then chapter 2, which is the Tagalog phrases themselves. It starts at page 7 and ends at page 1084. There's 5,300 and some phrases in this book. Okay, it's a huge book. Now let's go down through here and get into the phrases. The way they're laid out is the Tagalog phrase is in bold. I wanted that so it would stand out, so you, as you're going through it, you see the Tagalog phrase first thing, and then you can look to see what the definition is in English. Each of the words in the Tagalog phrase are listed here and defined. Okay, as we go down through here, we'll see phrase after phrase. There's the Tagalog, there's the English, and then the words are each defined below. Okay, I'm going to shoot down to the bottom very quickly. And this is a PDF, by the way. This is a PDF file. It can be read with Acrobat Reader. It's a free program to download from Adobe's website. Most people already have the Acrobat Reader on their computer, and you would be able to open this document up and then browse through it. You notice in the lower right hand corner there's 1084. That's the last page in the document. Okay, and as we scroll up through here, if you've been browsing around on the Tagalog Phrases website, some of these phrases would be familiar to you. Okay, they are exactly the same phrases that you'll find on that site. Okay, so I just wanted to give you an idea of what this book is about. Again, it's for sale for only $7. I think it's a great buy. If I didn't already have the book, I would certainly jump on it myself. I think it's a great resource for somebody learning the language. It's actually fun. It's fun to go down through here and not have to go through looking up everything in a dictionary. It's right there. You can see the Tagalog phrase. You can then see it in English, and then you'll have the definitions right there as you study the phrases. Okay, so hopefully you'll download this thing. You can go in and add it to your cart, then go ahead and go through the purchasing process. You'll be sent an email with a link where you can download the PDF file and be reading it immediately. If there's a problem in the download process, you can have something like 8 different tries to go back and download the document. Okay, I do hope you get a chance to download this ebook and start studying it in an easier way than always looking up all the words. I did the work for you. I've already looked up the words, I've already defined them, and you're ready to go. Okay, so thanks for listening, and I hope to have you as a customer working with through this book, Tagalog Phrases Defined. Thank you.